Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to track your delivery from Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. Then go to the Me tab in your bottom right corner, and then in the My Orders section you need to click View All. And unfortunately I don't have any orders, but I will guide you anyway. So after you opened your Orders tab, you need to find the exact item you want to track. Then you need to just simply click on it to view details page of your item. Then you will see a track button next to the shipping status of your order, and you just need simply tap on track button. And eventually you will be directed to a screen where you can see detailed tracking information, including the current location of your parcel and expected delivery date of your package. So that's it. I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.